Hi friends, Namaste. I am Ananta Sharma. In continuation to the previous two charts, I will present to you two more charts to show the combination for the loss of the spouse in the latter age of one's life. This latter age may mean as more than 55 or 60 years, but sometimes it is even happening when the native is about 40 years or 45 years of age. Anyway, I will show examples with these combinations. Now, the next chart I present now is see this chart. This chart belongs to Madam Indira Gandhi. Here, the ascendant is Cancer. 12th house is Jaimini. And the Lord of Jaimini is Mercury. And he is in Scorpio, which is 6 signs away from Jaimini. Again, 6 signs counted from Mercury is Aries. So Aries is the upapada lagna or upapada. So you come to the Navamsa chart. Upapada lagna is Aries. Second from upapada lagna is Taurus. Jupiter occupies it. And the Lord of the second house from upapada lagna is Venus. Venus is in Libra, which is the own house of Venus. This is a simple illustration. That is, if the Lord of the second house from upapada is in his own house, here in his own house means this Taurus is his own house and Libra also is his own house. The Sutra implies that the Lord of the second house may be present in the second house from upapada itself or in the other sakshetra of that planet. So this is another example. Now I'll tell you one more important point here. In all the sutras relating to upapada and family, the sutra says upapada or second from upapada, the Lord of upapada, Lord of second from upapada. In all these sutras, the beginning is if the upapada lagna or the second from upapada lagna. This is the only sutra in upapada chapter where the sage says it is only the second from upapada. But don't be under the impression that if Lord of the upapada is in his own house, the loss of spouse is possible. That is not correct. You must consider only the Lord of the second house from upapada. If he is in his own house, the result is that. If the Lord of the upapada is in his own house, this rule does not apply. Please remember this. Please remember this. This is very important because all the sutras say is upapada or the second from upapada. Every sutra in upapada chapter connecting to or relating to spouse and family. The other chapters on upapada, that is chapter relating to the children or chapter relating to brothers, they are different. Here is this chapter which relates to the wife of the native and marriage. Here we say upapada or second from upapada. But in this principle only, in this sutra only, it is said that it is the second from upapada Lord of the second from upapada occupies his own house. His own house means the second house from upapada itself or another own house of that planet, the Lord of the second house. If the second Lord is there, the native loses his or her partner in the latter stage of his life. I think if I remember well, the husband of Srimati Indira Gandhi, that is Firoz Gandhi, I think he passed away in 57 or 58, about when she was, when Mrs. Gandhi was about 40 years of age. I subject to correction. This is approximately the same thing. When Srimati Gandhi was 40 years old, plus or minus 1 year, he lost her. That's it. Thank you. Let us see another example also. See this example. This is also a female horoscope. This native also lost her husband when she was just 41 years or 41 years old. See this chart. The ascendant Lagna is Leo, and Lord of Leo is Sun. Where is Sun? Yes, Sun is in Cancer. The 12th house from ascendant is Cancer. Lord of Cancer is Moon. Moon is in Scorpio. So that means Lord of the 12th house from ascendant, Moon is in the 5th house from the 12th house from ascendant. The 12th house from ascendant is Cancer. Moon is in Scorpio, which is the 5th house from Cancer. Again, count 5 signs from Scorpio. We arrive at Pisces. Pisces is the Upapada Lagna. Now you see the Navamsha chart. Upapada Lagna is in Pisces. The second from Upapada is Aries. Lord of Aries is Mars, and he occupies the second house from Upapada, his own house. So this rule applies. So this is a simple rule. But here, this chart especially, I would like to warn you. The next immediate chart we discuss, the next chart, that chart shows some exceptions to multiple marriages. Already we discussed 3 or 4 charts to illustrate the formula for multiple marriages. So there are some exceptions. We discussed those exceptions in the next class. In that next class, I will bring to your note, recall to your memory this chart also. Then we will discuss. Thank you.